Hey, thanks for clicking on the video today. This is a 2019 Cobalt R5 Surf Edition. So a 25-foot boat with surf capabilities. So you can see it's got a nice black hull side, little red stripe along the side, nice tower. As we come to the back, we can see the big surf plates. And then this is the Volvo Penta reverse drive, which makes it able to surf. It does have the nice drop-down swim platform. You've got JL audio speakers on the back, and again, R5 Surf. Why don't you join me aboard and we'll take a look at the rest. All right, thanks for joining me aboard this Cobalt R5. You got the nice sun pad here in the back. You got the backrest right here. It does move forward and backward. You've got nice seating all the way around. Pretty comfortable. Storage underneath. You got a table. Like I said, you got the wakeboard racks. Tower with the bimini. Another wakeboard rack there. We come over to the side. We got the companion seat. Companion seat on the side here with the bolster. It does have a head. It is just a toilet, but it does have a head. You can see it has the covers in there as well. Storage all the way around. Got speakers all the way around. And then we come to the helm. We got the captain's chair here with another bolster. This boat does have 312 hours. It does have 0 off, so it does have your speed control, Rockford Fosgate. And then we have dual Garmin touchscreens. So you got your Garmin's right there, information on surfing, instrumentation information there. Got snap in, snap out flooring. And as we come to the bow of this 25-footer, you've got nice seating all the way around. You've got drop-down armrests. You do have some storage underneath this seat right here. It does flip up. Great 25-foot boat. Great to drive, and if you're looking for something that it has ability to surf, this is the one. Low hours. It is here at our Rogers location. Stop by anytime, take a look, or give us a call to set up an appointment.